Welcome back again. Let's explore the same options on the Google Cloud platform so you can get more clear picture about the cloud computing technology, and your concepts will be more flourish related to this new technology. So let me share a new screen with you related to the cloud computing infrastructure on the platform of Google Cloud. So here, now we have on the platform of Google Cloud. Here you can see that the URL console.cloud.google.com, and when I click on this navigation bar, here you can see that I have a number of options, same previously we discussed on the Azure platform. Here you can see that compute option. So from compute option, I can implement virtual machines. Here, if I explore the compute engine options, here you can see that VM instances and further options available here. And related to the storage, here you can see that I have a storage option available, same as we discussed on the platform of Azure. And if I go down here, you can see that I have a number of storage options available. Same storage account I can create over here. SQL options also available over here. And if I can explore more, you can also find here, you can see that networking option is also available over here, and I can create my own virtual switches from here. Here you can see that I have number of options. I can create my virtual private cloud, which is considered as a virtual network, which we previously discussed on the platform of Microsoft. And here you can see that we have firewall options where we can implement a number of policies related to the inbound and outbound traffic which we are using in our cloud infrastructure. And here you can see that we have router options also available, where we can specify what kind of routing policies we will utilize for our infrastructure. And here you can see that I can configure public and private IP addresses over here. So what we discussed previously, that infrastructure is same related to the compute, storage and network, but the way of access is completely changed. And now all concepts are verified from both platforms on Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud, that now we have one-stop shop where we can perform number of tasks related to the compute, storage and networking. And if I need any kind of applications, all kind of applications also available here on the Google Cloud platform. Here you can see that I have network security options where I can implement more security policies related to the SSL and other application based policies. So if I can explore these all options on the Amazon, same options with different names will be available over there, and same concepts and logics and techniques will be implemented related to all cloud computing vendors. It might be Alibaba, or it might be Rackspace, or Amazon, or Google Cloud and Microsoft Azure. So I hope that the previously concepts which we discussed, theoretical concepts, now you have more clear picture about cloud computing operations. So let's get into another episode related to the cloud computing infrastructure.